Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. Sir, in connection with the dispute between India and Pakistan regarding the utilization of the waters of the Indus system of rivers, it would not be desirable for me at this stage to deal with the controversial aspects of matters which are still the subject of negotiation between the two countries. I shall, however, acquaint the House with the present position in respect of this dispute. The House will recall that on the 4th May 1948, the governments of India and Pakistan entered into an agreement by which India was progressively to diminish the supply of waters to Pakistan canals as Pakistan tapped alternative sources of supply. Not much progress could, however, be made in the implementation of this agreement till towards the end of 1951. The President of International Bank for Reconstruction and Development suggested that the bank would be prepared to lend its good offices in resolving the dispute. The governments of India and Pakistan accepted in March 1952 the proposal of the bank that a working party should be set up consisting of engineers of India and Pakistan who would be assisted by engineers of the bank with the object of preparing for the consideration of the two governments a comprehensive plan for the development of the water resources of the Indus region so that the river supplies effectively available to each country would be increased substantially beyond what they had ever been. It was agreed also to at that time that neither party would, while joint work was in progress, diminish the supplies of water available to the other side for existing uses. It will readily be appreciated that though this condition was expressed in a mutual obligation, it was a condition which bound India alone, for Pakistan does not supply any waters to India. This unilateral restriction was, however, accepted by the government of India solely in the interest of a speedy settlement. It was not accepted that at that time that the work of the working party would take very long. From May 1952 till August 1953, the engineers of the two sides, assisted by the engineers of the bank, collected a vast amount of statistical and engineering data required for the preparation of the comprehensive plan. In September, the working party met in Washington. Full stop.